Y'all coming with me to Best Buy in Leah to go get my tripod. If y'all know me, I've been fiending for this tripod for I don't even know how long. And we about to miss our bus. We made the bus and now we're waiting for the train. And I just want to say my tripod was on my vision board, so I'm already accomplishing things that was on my vision board. So thank you, clock that. I don't feel good, y'all. I had to take my headphones off and my glasses. I felt lightheaded. But now we're waiting for the train. Yeah, look at the cameras. I want a new camera so bad. But back to the hunt for my tripod. I'm on a hunt. I need that. Don't tell me they don't have that, because I need that. Hold on. It's Shake Shack right here. Yeah, we just left Best Buy. Why when we was in there at first? Look at this driver. The dude tried to say they didn't have no more tripods, so I kept asking other people and I got my tripod. I was so hyped. I was about to unbox it in the store, but I think that I am just gonna unbox it when I get home and do this like an unboxing video. But we're walking to Shake Shack right now and I really don't know why, because I'm not gonna eat it. But
You're not gonna eat it?
I'm not. We met these two nice people in the vlog. One of them said they was mysterious. I'm gonna put the clip of the other boy in here.
Yo, y'all, subscribe to Manaya Marie. We in Best Buy. We about to buy a MacBook. Hello. They looking at me weird, so.
We're in Best Buy.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
But when I figure out what I'm gonna eat, y'all, I'm gonna come back. Say hi to my little my baby ooh, my baby ooh. It's a baby.
I'm not the baby.
She's the baby ooh, y'all. Why she lost a piece of her headphone and now we walking back through 86 to find it, yo. When did you take them off? When did you realize it was gone? Hurry up, hurry up. We don't got the light.
Did you think I didn't realize?
No, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say, when did you take the headphones off? Like,
I didn't know. I've been took them off, but the piece was still on.
all right, so yeah, we're going back into Best Buy.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Now we gotta retrace all of our steps. What if somebody picked it up? Aaliyah! Yeah, I just got dragged to Victoria's Secret, but it's okay because I dragged her to Best Buy. So, oh, it's quiet up here. I'm gonna put my camera. You could tell I'm fiending because, let me see if it stands up. I don't even care that I'm in Victoria's Secret. I have my tripod. I'm hyped. I don't really give a f. Alright, hold on. Alright, y'all. So this is the reveal. Should I keep the box when I'm done, or should I throw it in the garbage? Alright. Yeah, this is real ghetto of me unboxing my tripod in Victoria's Secret, but it's pain. Yeah, why it's not? Oh, I have to unscrew it. Alright, I was about to panic.
He's like, we must be friends.
Come on. How do I fix that? Do it not fix? Is it stuck like this? It can't be, y'all. Hold on. Alright, I figured it out. It's straight now. Yeah, I seen it before. It was crooked, but you gotta press this button and push it to move it. Look. Yeah, clock that. I don't know. It's so pain. Y'all don't even understand. I'm hyped. Oh my god, she look like. Then what's this? What's this for? I need some batteries. What is this? Oh, I think I needed to take this out.
I'm sorry,
I hope I didn't just mess nothing up. Let me throw that in a bit. Close it. Oh yeah. If you know me, you know I've been fiending for this, yo. I've been fiending for this. Thank you. Ah! All right, now it's time to read the instructions and hook it up to my camera. They have bubble wrap. I would pop it if I wasn't in the store. Oh, okay. This is just showing me what I just did, opening it. Alright, so maybe this is the wrong instruction. Is this a tripod bag? Alright, check you out, Best Buy, whatever. Okay. So I think these are the instructions. It's mad. Oh, this is not English. Okay, they have different languages. Wish I was home so I could vlog on my phone and then show y'all me setting up the tripod, but I think I have to put it on the camera first in order to get it. I know I have to do the Bluetooth. I didn't really look too much into it, but I seen somebody on TikTok set up the Bluetooth.
Not at home.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be back, and when I get the tripod on, I'm gonna go find a mirror. Oh my gosh, y'all, the tripod works. I'm hyped. I gotta find a mirror so I can show y'all, but y'all don't even understand how much. Oh my gosh, I'm excited as fuck. Y'all don't even understand. I'm so excited. I'm about to buy the whole store. Yeah, why we always come to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday, yo?
We gotta get a Shake Shack.
Oh man, yeah, now we gotta eat Shake Shack. It's so dirty over here now. When I went to school over here, it was way cleaner, yo. We was coming from Capital Prep every day coming 86th Street to eat food. Now it just look dirty. And this is why I don't come outside for real. Yo, I'm so hype about my tripod, yo. We are Shake Shack right now. Let me turn the light on. It kind of looks dark. Oh yeah, that's pain. Why y'all? I almost passed out. Like,
I don't even know how we end up in Shake Shack.
I don't know how we ended up in Shake Shack either, but I almost out. Yo, my 11th grade year and my 12th grade year of high school, literally every day it was a new issue with me on the train about to pass out. I just had to take, I just had on a t-shirt out here, y'all. I just had nothing on. I was just laid out on the table.
Yo,
that's funny. I didn't even walk. I started seeing stars. Like my vision started blurring up, and I had to sit down. Like when I was trying to grab the door, I thought I was looking at the knob, and I was grabbing the, not even the door.
She'd been like this before we even got downtown.
I felt like I was gonna pass out when we was on our way downtown. That's the gag.
Oh, let's show them what we got.
I gotta take the. I just took the lettuce out. I gotta take the tomatoes out because I don't eat tomatoes.
I got these.
Ew, I was supposed to take my tomatoes and lettuce out, but I was so busy about to pass out, I didn't even get it.
She didn't even do that.
And then I got my fries. Yo, I tapped the card and walked away from her. Like, I couldn't even stand any longer. And then my milkshake.
She didn't even put the table number up.
Yo, that was too, listen, y'all. Why? I just watched that clip, and it's just dumb loud in the back, y'all.
Lucky
He's scared. What is it? He's scared of this pussy. He's scared. Ducking the table. Don't duck right.
Yeah, he just went, he break.
Alright vlog, so I'm gonna make this outro really short. Today I finally got my tripod. I've been itching for my tripod. Like, y'all don't understand. I've been fiending for my tripod. My cousin, I don't know if she's ever been up here before, but she told me I need to start making my videos more authentic, like acting like myself. Back up! Get out! She told me I need to make my videos a little bit more authentic and make it as raw and cut as I can. So until then, y'all, I'm gonna be back. Y'all gonna see me drop another video tomorrow because now I finally have all my stuff planned out, so I'm gonna be more consistent.